So guys, welcome back to Tough Waterfowl. We're here at the headquarters today, and we're going to show you guys how to blow a duck call. So today we're using the echo calls. We love using these calls. They're great calls, whether you're in open water or flooded timber. Today we got a double reed for you, and we're just going to show you guys some basic tips and tricks on getting started in a duck calling. So first of all, I just want to let you guys know that no way am I professional at all at duck calling. I do this for fun. I love duck hunting. And throughout this series, I'm just going to show you guys some tips and tricks on how I blow a duck call, when and where I use it, stuff like that. But today we're just going to start off with the basics. Today we got, like I said, we got the echo double reed call. First of all, the way I hold my calls is this little bell down here. I place it right here in this little groove between your pointer finger and your thumb, and it sits just like that. Some guys like to use their last three. Some use their whole hand. You know, just whatever's comfortable to you. But your hand pretty much controls the pitch and tones of the call whenever you blow it. So a lot of guys that I've hunted with have asked me, you know, how do you feed call, or, you know, how do you sound like this? How many quacks do you do? You know, greeting, everything like that. And really, it's just up to you. I know me growing up, learning the duck call, I watched a bunch of videos on YouTube teaching you different words to say, like 10 or, you know, being anything to get that, your tongue to hit the top of your mouth, that 10 sound. And it kind of sounds like this. And whenever you guys are learning how to call, you can feel your tongue going up to the roof of your mouth, and that's kind of what controls it, along with your hand. But your tongue is pretty much the guide that pushes the air out and controls the pitch and tones of whenever you're calling. So today I'm going to teach you guys how to do just a basic 3 to 5 quack greeting call, stuff like that. It sounds like this. So let's jump into it. So a lot of guys like to use the word 10 whenever they're starting out. Saying the word 10 allows your tongue and your mouth to touch and get the flow pattern down correctly. And once you guys start doing that, it's kind of like you're spitting a little bit, because you get that just like that. And once you guys can learn, you know, your tongue and your mouth repetition like that and get the flow down, you'll be able to start blowing. But whenever you guys first start out, you know, don't get down on yourself if it sounds, you know, all over the place, or if it sounds like a duck flying backwards in North Dakota on a Sunday morning. It's not going to sound good at all. But that's what it is. It's practice. Practice makes perfect, like everybody says. But whenever you guys start saying the word 10 and getting that control down with your tongue, that's what it'll start sounding like. And then you can start adding more to it. All right, guys, now that you got your word down and you can control the pitch with your tongue and your mouth, I like to use the 3-finger movement to control my sounds whenever it comes out. And the reason you guys want to do that is you don't want to cover up the bell, because then that allows the sound to come out, you know, and sound a lot better whenever you're calling. But I typically like to use these last 3 fingers to control, you know, the flow of it as I'm blowing. And what that allows you to do is it allows you to mimic the sounds of the duck a lot better, and allows the sound waves of the call to echo out through wherever you're hunting at. And these 3 fingers right here, some guys like to use 3, some use their whole hand, some use these last 2 or 1 or whatever it is. It's whatever's comfortable to you guys. That's been pretty much what duck calling is whatever's comfortable. Now that we got the simple quack down, I'm going to teach you how to put it together and